Hi, welcome to Brain Equation. Today we have 20 power x plus 20 power x plus 20 power x over 10 power x plus 10 power x plus 10 power x is equal to 100. So x is unknown. In order to find out x, we can take factor out 20 power x. So we factor out 20 power x, we will left with 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by, here we will take 10 power x as common. We will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 100. So it will be 20 power x. Here we will get 3 and divided by 10 power x times 3 is equal to 100. This 3 will go with the 3. We will get 20 power x over 10 power x is equal to 100. Now we can write this expression as 20 over 10 whole power x is equal to 100. Now 20 divided by 10 gives 2. So we will get 2 power x is equal to 100. Here we will take log on both sides. Log 2 power x is equal to log 100. So here x will shift to the base and we will write x times log 2 is equal to log 100. Now we will divide both sides by log 2. X log 2 divided by log 2 is equal to log 100 divided by log 2. Log 2 will go with the log 2. We will get x is equal to log 100 over log 2. So here we have x is equal to log 100 can be written as 50 multiplied by 2 over log 2 over log 2. So here x is equal to, we can write it as, we will use a very well known property of logarithm, which is if we have log a b, product of a b, and we can write this product as log a plus log b, log b. So we are going to use this property in this step. So in this step we will use this property and we will write here log 50 plus log 2 plus log 2 over log 2. So here we have x is equal to log 50. We will divide both expressions by log 2, this and this, log 2 over log 2. In the next step, we will get x is equal to log 50 over log 2. Here we will get log 2 will go with the log 2, we will get 1 here. Again, we will write x is equal to this log. This 50 can be written as 25 multiplied by 2 over log 2 plus 1. Next step, x is equal to, by using the same property as we used earlier, log 25 plus log 2 over log 2 plus 1. Here we have x is equal to log 25 divided by 2 and log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 2 divided by log 2 plus 1. In the next step, we have x is equal to log 25 over 2 plus, here we have log 2 will go with the log 2, we will get 1. So in the next step, we will write log 25 over log 2. Here we will get 2. Here we will write 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now we can write it, x is equal to log 25 can be written as 5 square over log 2 plus 2. We can write x is equal to 2 will shift to the base. We will write 2 log 5 over log 2 plus log plus 2. So in the next step, we will write x is equal to, here we will use the formula. If we have log 5 over log 2, we can write it log 5 base 2 plus 2. We can factor out 2 and we will write x is equal to, factor out 2, we will have log 5 base 2 plus 1. So it is the final value of x. But we need to check this value. We need to check this value. To check this value, we will use our given equation and we will insert the value of x in the given equation to check whether it satisfies the equation or not. So by writing the given equation, 2 20 power x plus 20 power x plus 20 power x over 10 power x plus 10 power x plus 10 power x is equal to 100. So we will take the left hand side of this equation. We will first of all, we will simplify it as we did before. 20 power x can be taken common. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 over. Here we will take 10 power x common. Here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 100. We will get here 20. This will go with this. We will get 20 power x over 10 power x is equal to 100. Here we will take, here we get 2 power x is equal to 100. So we will take left hand side 2 power x. We will insert the value of x from here. This value 2, we have 2 log 5 to the base 2 plus 2. So we can write it as 2 power 2 log 5 base 2 times 2, 2 power 2. So we can write it as in the form of the product. So in this step, this 2 will become the power of 5. Write 2 power log 5 square base 2 times 2 power 2. Here we have, we can use this property log. If we have a power log b to the base a, we can get b. The answer is b. We are going to use this property at this step. So here we will get, we have 2 power log 5 square to the base 2. So here we will get 5 square times 2 square by using this property. So 5 square is 25 and 2 square is 4. 25 multiplied by 4 is 100, which is equal to right hand side. So it is proved here. That's all about this question. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more solutions and videos like this. Till the next video, bye.